Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing a fundamental concept in Angular development, modules. We'll explore what they are, how they work, and why they're essential for structuring Angular applications. Let's dive in. Introduction to Angular. Angular is a powerful platform for building web applications, developed and maintained by Google. It utilizes TypeScript as its primary language, allowing developers to create scalable and maintainable applications. Before we get into modules, it's essential to understand Angular's architecture as it heavily relies on modularity for its functionality. What is a module? A module in Angular is essentially a container that holds a cohesive block of code. This block is dedicated to a specific application domain, workflow, or set of related capabilities. Modules help us organize our code into logical pieces, making it easier to manage and maintain. They also promote code reuse, allowing us to share functionality across different parts of an application. Structure of an Angular module. An Angular module is structured using the ing module decorator, which defines the module's metadata. There are several key components in an Angular module. This is where we list the components, directives, and pipes that belong to the module. Here, we specify other modules that this module needs to function. Providers. This section includes services that are available for dependency injection. Bootstrap. Finally, this identifies the main application view that Angular should create and insert into the HTML host page. Ing module decorator. The ing module decorator is crucial for defining an Angular module. It has several properties. Declarations. This is a list of components, directives, and pipes. Imports. This includes other modules that this module requires. Providers, services that this module contributes to the global collection of services. Bootstrap. This specifies the root component that Angular should bootstrap. Let's look at an example code snippet. Creating a module. Here's a simple example of how to create an Angular module. In this code, we import the necessary Angular core and browser modules and define a class called appModuleDecorated with adding module. In the declarations array, we register our main component, app component. We also import browser module, which is essential for running the application in a web browser. This structure allows us to build a functioning Angular application. Types of modules. There are several types of modules in Angular. Root module. This is the main module of an Angular application, often referred to as app module. Feature modules. These encapsulate specific functionality or features of the application, making it easier to manage. Shared modules. These are used to export common components, directives, and pipes for use in other modules. By categorizing modules this way, we can enhance the organization and maintainability of our code. Benefits of using modules. The use of modules in Angular brings several benefits. Code organization. Modules help us separate concerns, which enhances maintainability and readability of the code. Lazy loading. This technique improves performance by loading modules only when they are needed, rather than loading everything up front. Encapsulation. Modules promote encapsulation, allowing us to keep related code together and making it easier to reuse functionality across different parts of our application. Conclusion. In conclusion, modules are a fundamental aspect of structuring Angular applications. They not only help in organizing code, but also improve maintainability and performance. As you continue to develop with Angular, exploring the creation of feature and shared modules will be beneficial. Thank you for your attention. I'd like to open the floor for any questions you may have regarding Angular modules or any other aspects of Angular development. Thank you for being here.